Hi there guys, welcome to another Rossberry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm just going to show you how to use a paddock stand on a MV Agusta F3. This is a 800 model, although it would be the same on the 675. I was actually in a biker cafe the other day and a guy couldn't quite comprehend how it worked. So I thought I'd best make a video and show the rest of you how to do it. Let's get started. So this is our paddock stand. So there are a few different brands that do make the single-sided swing arm paddock stand. This is an Anderson one, which is probably middle to top end of the range. Like you see, it does have a roller, and this roller actually goes through into the hub of the wheel that the wheel bolts to and lifts from that point there. And the roller allows you to still spin the wheel whilst the bike's in the air. So let me show you how to put it on. So with the bike still on the side stand, just slowly slide the paddock stand into your hub, like so. Get a firm grip on the bike, roll it over, and then slowly push down. Your choice if you want to leave the side stand down. I always do, because when I put the paddock stands down, that's the way I lean the bike. And as you can see, we can spin the wheel using the roller inside the paddock stand. It'll also allow you to take the wheel off from the other side. Now to put the paddock stand back down, again, firm grip on the bike, very slowly lift the stand up, rotate the bike down to the side stand, and slide the paddock stand out. And there we go, that's my video on how to use an Anderson paddock stand on a 2015 MV Agusta F3. Like I say, that's an 800 model. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.